Hello, space explorers. This is your friend Ethan and welcome back to our cosmic journey on Kid Stuff. Today, we're going to visit the biggest planet in our solar system. Can you guess which one it is? That's right, it's Jupiter. Get ready for a cosmic carnival of fun as we explore the wonders of the gas giant. Hold on to your helmets, because the Jupiter Jamboree is about to begin. Welcome to Jupiter, the king of the planets. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun, and it is so huge that you could fit all the other planets inside it. Imagine that! More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside this giant. Now, that's what I call massive. With a radius of 43,440.7 miles, that is 69,911 kilometers, Jupiter is 11 times wider than Earth. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be about as big as a basketball. It's like the giant guardian of our solar system, standing proud with its colorful bands and swirling storms. The king of planets was named after Jupiter, king of the gods in Roman mythology. Most of its moons are also named after mythological characters and figures associated with Jupiter or his Greek counterpart, Zeus. Jupiter is known for its beautiful stripes and swirls. The stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water, floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. The dark orange stripes are called belts, while the lighter bands are called zones, and they flow east and west in opposite directions. And the most famous of all is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. It's so big that 3 Earths could fit inside it. A day on Jupiter is super short. It only takes about 10 hours for Jupiter to spin once. And Jupiter makes a complete orbit around the Sun in about 12 Earth years, that is 4,333 Earth days. That means if you lived on Jupiter, you'd have to celebrate your birthday twice as often. Jupiter has a lot of moons, 95 at last count. The 4 largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were first observed by the astronomer Galileo Galilei in the year 1610. These 4 moons are known today as the Galilean moons, and they're some of the most fascinating destinations in our solar system. They're so big that you can see them with just a pair of binoculars from Earth. But wait, there's more. Did you know Jupiter has rings? Yes, you heard that right. Discovered in 1979 by NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, Jupiter's rings were a surprise. The rings are composed of small, dark particles, and they are difficult to see except when backlit by the sun. Data from the Galileo spacecraft indicate that Jupiter's ring system may be formed by dust kicked up as interplanetary meteoroids smash into the giant planet's small innermost moons. They're not as flashy as Saturn's, but they're there, made of dust and tiny rocks. Jupiter's environment is probably not conducive to life as we know it. The temperatures, pressures, and materials that characterize this planet are most likely too extreme and volatile for organisms to adapt to. While planet Jupiter is an unlikely place for living things to take hold, the same is not true of some of its many moons. Europa is one of the likeliest places to find life elsewhere in our solar system. There is evidence of a vast ocean just beneath its icy crust, where life could possibly be supported. As a gas giant, Jupiter doesn't have a true surface. The planet is mostly swirling gases and liquids. While a spacecraft would have nowhere to land on Jupiter, it wouldn't be able to fly through unscathed either. The extreme pressures and temperatures deep inside the planet would crush, melt, and vaporize spacecraft trying to fly into the planet. And for the grand finale, did you know Jupiter has auroras? Just like the northern lights on Earth, but way more gigantic and powerful. They never stop, creating the most amazing light show you could ever imagine. Isn't Jupiter fascinating? It's like a big brother protecting us from comets and asteroids with its strong gravity. So, next time you look up at the night sky and see a bright light, it might just be Jupiter saying hello. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. If you're hungry for more cosmic fun and intergalactic adventures, hit that like and subscribe button below. Join our space crew, and let's continue exploring the wonders of our solar system together. This is your friend, Ethan, signing off, and until next time, keep looking up and keep learning. Bye-bye.